Hey, what's up everybody? Ryan here. So I just got my new video camera. It's a GoPro Hero 7 Black, and I just got it updated and charged and got everything set up. So I decided to make a quick little van tour video just to test out the camera and put up another video about what I carry on my truck. So I hope you enjoy it. So I'm gonna start on the side doors. Of course, I got first aid kit here. Important to have. I went ahead and took a small filing cabinet and installed it here in the back. I keep my vacuum pump here. Let's go ahead and move that out of the way. What I keep in here, my knee pads, all my grinder wheels, cutting wheels, all my power tools, spare drills, batteries, grinder, drill index. That's about it for this drawer. Up here I keep just a mess of extra Allen wrenches. I keep my puller, flaring tool, a couple extra pullers, hair dryer, and just a mess of meters. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 extra meters, megometer, and infrared and non-contact voltage tester, which I never use. In fact, I don't recommend them. And once air conditioning season gets here, my digital manometer will go in there too. Go ahead and keep my knee pad here, fits perfect. Flashlight, extra brushes, just got all kinds of brushes I keep back here. And then here I mounted another toolbox. I just keep spare wrenches, you know, all the other stuff, files, levels, razor knives, tubing cutters, all sorts of tools. This tool here to take apart your low loss fittings for your hoses, all that good stuff. Star bit, you know, you guys know what I'm talking about. Extra tools from here. Snake, extra locks, this little things to pin gloves onto your pants. Keep my nitrogen here, fire extinguisher, little fold out cart. It's real handy. Then I got this. I basically keep all my sheet metal tools in here, mallets, you know, everything you need for sheet metal, scissors, all that good stuff. All right, so now that we're in, I got a box of rags. I got a box full of expandable hose, Tommy gun, coil cleaner. All my PVC fittings are here. Down here I keep 1/2-inch pipe nipple, black iron pipe nipples and fittings, 3/4 inch black iron pipe nipples and fittings, little shop vac, trouble light. Keep my spare acetylene and oxygen tanks here. Here I've got all my vacuum pump oil, soap bubbles, miscellaneous chemicals, WD-40, spray, spray adhesive, all kinds of stuff, compressed air. And in the one down below, I keep everything I need to do soldering, not brazing, soldering stuff there. All right, here I keep spray for wasps, bees, bee spray, pump sprayer, portaband, sawzall, hammer drill. Back here I got a corded drill in case I need it. All my electrical stuff, all my wire, thermostat wire, stranded wire, wire nuts, all the connectors I need for wiring. Specialty tools here, digital thermometer. This is actually an oil pressure test kit, hole saw kit, manometer, leak detector, not even sure. Small socket set. All my copper fittings stay in this one. Other miscellaneous electrical connectors here. Another socket set with the impact driver. Micron gauge. Miscellaneous boxes full of stuff. Testo smart probes. Rigid sea snake. Pop rivet gun. Extra micron gauge. Pneumatic kit. In this corner is everything I need to patch a roof. I got this membrane, sticky membrane. I got roof sealant. Up here I keep a few small things. Vibration pads, fin straightening tools. Just a 2x4 box with box connectors. Scale. Larger, metric, and standard socket set. This is just a index. I have random brass fittings in, you know, for you could take it up to the roof and piece it together. Coronavirus is real hot right now. I got masks. I got another micron gauge. I got a flaring and a swedging tool, lockout tag out kit, and then I keep just random pipe wrenches here, a couple of analog gauge sets here, and then parts, pressure switches, pulleys, igniters, capacitors. This is all random ignition controls and control boards. Down here I've got transformers, wires for igniters and flame sensors, extra rain shields for condenser fan motors because they never send them. Relays here, timers, relays, all fuses in this box. Of course I got belts here, just spare thermostats, all fuses here. This is all contactors back here. If I pull it out, I've got them all, you know, three pole 30 amp, 2 pole 30 amp, 3 pole 40s, and 2 pole 40s. That's about all I keep. Extra high temp and duct seal, caulking. This is all filter dryers here. All right, and here I've got all my bigger tools. I got one of these wheels to measure. I've got a come along, big pipe wrenches, hammers, these extension cords with one end cut off so you can bug in and run if you don't have power, clamps, you know, just all the big crap you don't need on a daily basis I keep down here. Over here I've got more chemical. I've got evaporator coil cleaner, condenser coil cleaner, wasp and hornet spray. I got more coil cleaner, WD-40, rags, soap bubbles, foam tape. Got an extra drill. I got an extra Vito bag here for if I don't need my big one. Zip ties, random box of stuff, hose connectors or hose clamps, big keys for big blowers, one hole clamps, box connectors, more clamps, metal back tape, electrical tape, Teflon tape, all my pipe dope, PVC coil or PVC cement. This is just a random, all my random bits. If I lose a bit, I come down, I grab one out of there. Just random stuff here. Thumb gum, wet rag, nuts and bolts, ratchet straps. Down here I keep all my screws, Tapcons, Sammys, these cool little hanging deals. Forget where I got those, but those come in handy. 5/16 screws, anchor kits, all the good stuff there. Everything for hanging with all thread for hanging heaters. All the stuff for blower repairs. Hex keys, you know, all the good stuff there. And then we move over here. I got batteries, more gauges just in case I break one. rough service light bulbs, wire strap, nothing real fancy. Get it put away. You know, access tees, all the access tees you need for working on small refrigerators or whatever. I got the connectors for mini splits. All right, and then back here I got my refrigerant rack. And then here I got my caulking gun, extra lights, a recovery tank, oxyacetylene torches. I keep my everything under 50-foot extension cords on this door. I got 200 footers in here. I'm not going to bother opening it because it's a pain in the ass to close. I got 2 ropes, and I like these hooks. You get the old welder out and you make all your fellow techs at your company happy when you pass these suckers out. Grease gun. I got 100 feet of hose here, little Tommy gun, coil sprayer. I keep about 350 feet of expandable hose in that box, and I keep the other 100 feet. I got about 550 feet. That'll get me out of trouble. Filter grabber. I'm sure this is where everybody keeps their filter grabber. It's the designated filter grabber spot. That thing comes in handy. I keep a small piece of sheet metal, you know, for whatever. And that's gonna be about it. The front of the van's very uneventful. So hopefully the video turned out. I'm trying to see how good the video turned out with this new GoPro, and also see how the audio turned out. Oh, and ladders. I keep a 32-foot extension ladder. I keep a 10-foot extension ladder on the bottom, an 8-foot, and a 6-foot. So that's gonna do it for the van tour. Nothing too fancy. I keep a lot of extra bungee cords here. You never know when you're gonna need those. So that's about it. Any suggestions you guys got for my van, let me know. I see a lot of people with the Milwaukee total pack out kit. It's cool, but this is what I got to work with. This is a 2017 Chevy Express, and I just reached 100,000 miles on it, and it's been a good van. I had a Ford before this, and the thing had a lot more power than this, but hey, put gas in it, you hit the gas, and you go where the job is. So hopefully you liked the video, and I'll see you on the next one.